We're having a late lunch stop over here at Coastline Restaurant in San Jose, no, Negros. So this is the adjacent town of Dumaguete City. Just going out of Dumaguete City, you have San Jose, but this is a coastal town. And what really struck me in this place is yung island, no, island on that part. Now that island, no, kita nyo dyan, that island is the island of Cebu. Malapit lang siya, no? This is the Santander Municipality. Na drive din namin yan. That's the southernmost part of the island of Cebu. Magkadikit lang dito sa island ng Negros. That explains kaya pala here, no, in this part of area of Negros, yung San Jose, marami yung mga Negros, diba? Alam mo, mga Ilonggo, but this area is marami Cebuano because yung mga Cebuano, they just cross, no, from that island of Santander going here. Kaya pala that explains also yung Dumaguete, dominant yung Cebuano. So this is yung coastal area, no, na again of the town of San Jose, province of Negros. So, malapit sa school to, so they have may mga area na cottages. Doon na area do yung Siquijor. Okay. Natin. Yung siguro old na port, no, area. But at least alam ko na this is Santander. We drove that also, no, southern part of Cebu, northern part of Cebu. But dito yung coastal area na maneho namin to. And I'm surprised na near, very near siya sa Negros. Okay.